This is a short video just to show you how you can secure files in Excel. You can either secure the entire file or just secure a part of it. And so I'm going to give you an example of how to do both, as the procedures have changed a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just want to lock out a file so that you have to enter a password to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my project revenue file, and I'm going to go File, Save As, click Browse. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to just put underscore secure, and that way I know this is the secure version as compared to my other version. That way I don't accidentally secure my original. Now I come down to Tools right here, and I'm going to click General Options, and it's going to need a password to open, so I'm going to enter that, and I'm going to make sure to check Read Only, and then it's going to ask for a password again to open. That just confirms it, and I'll click OK. Now before I click OK, I just want to make sure you guys understand that when you enter passwords for these things, you must write them down. One, when you submit your assignments, you're going to have to tell us what the passwords are by typing them into Blackboard. And also, if you forget your password, there's really nothing that you can do about it. There's no way of getting into this, so don't forget the password, okay? All right, so I can go ahead and save it. And it says it's saved here as secure, but I want to see what happens when I open it. So I close it off, and I open up secure, and there I have to enter my password. So I'll go ahead and do that, and click OK. And it says the author would like to open it as read-only, blah, 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 and that's fine. And so if I come here and say I want to change this project 1, and I come here, well, the funny thing is, I can actually change that. So you'd think, well, it's supposed to be read-only, how can I change it? But when you actually go to save it, that's where you'll have the problem. It's going to say, nope, you can't do it, okay? So that's pretty much it with that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close that file out. It's going to ask me to save it. Of course, I can't, so I'm going to say don't save. All right, so now what I want is I want someone to be able to have a password to open it, but they also have to enter a password to modify it. Okay, so it's both. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the sales and order one. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the exact same process. I'm going to go save as, browse, and I will go sales and order, and I'll just do underscore secure modify, something like that. Now, I'm going to go under Tools, and under General Options, the password to open it will be one password. The password to modify it will be another password. Do not check read only. I found that if you check that, then the password to modify, it won't save anything. So I found it would be kind of strange. All right, so if I click OK, it's going to ask me for my first password, and then my second password. And I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I have the secure modify. I'll go ahead and save that. Now, of course, it's giving me this file. I'm going to go ahead and close that. Now, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to open it up. It's going to ask me for the first password, and it's going to say it's enter the password for write access or open read only. So if I don't want to make any changes, I can just do read only. However, I do want to make changes, so I'm going to do the password. Okay, and I'm going to click OK, and I can come here and I'll just change something like this to 10. All right, and I'll go File, Save, and close the file. Open it again. Enter in my information, my password. This time I'll click Read Only, and you can see that 10 that I changed right there, it's still changed. So it did save it. Now if I try to do it, say if I go here and I try to change this number to 10, all right, just for kicks, you see it doesn't allow me to do it. See? I'll try to do it again. I'll do it on this 417, and I'll just add a bunch of numbers. Okay, click down here. All right, now let me do that one. Okay, made a liar out of me on the first one. Then I come here though, and when I go to save it, that's where it's going to prevent me from doing it. Okay, so it did allow me to do the change. The first time I didn't catch it when I did it the first time, but it will now allow me to save it. So that's pretty much how we deal with that. So we've got this. We're going to go ahead and save that. Don't save, or close it is what I meant to say. All right, last one. Sorry, last one, customer service. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to save this worksheet. All right, so I'm gonna to do that. I just want to save just this and none of the others. So I'm gonna hit protect sheet. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. I'm gonna do protect sheet right here, and I'm gonna hit a password to do that. And just check this. I don't want to edit objects, and I don't want to do anything else. So keep the rest of these unchecked. Okay, and geez, I got another one down there. Okay, all these unchecked. Click OK. Enter the password again. All right, so now I've secured this one, but I just did it for the sheet. And see, it says now unprotect sheet. Well, that's how I unprotect it. So right now, I have protected it, so I can't change anything. See? I'm trying to click on this to change any of these fields. Can't do it. Okay? If I come over to summarize by year and I want to change this, I can. Okay? But I can't change anything on that particular sheet. And the only way to do that is to then click Unprotect Sheet, enter my password, and then I can change it. Okay? So that's pretty much it to help you with this particular assignment.